Hello students, 5th class active math notes. Practice question 5. Factors and multiples. Point 1. Fill in the blanks. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. The HCF of 4 and 6 is 2. Common factors are 1 and 2. HCF of 4 and 6 is 1 into 2, 2. B. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. In right side, I will write the method of taking factors. Common factors are 5 and 1. The HCF of 15 and 20 is 1 into 5, 5. 5.2. Find the HCF of the following sets of numbers by listing the common factors. 5.2. A. The HCF of 21 and 42 is 21. Factors of 21 are 3, 7, 1. Factors of 42 are 2, 3, 7, 1. The common factors are 3 and 7. Therefore, the HCF of 21 and 42 are 3 into 7, 21. B. The HCF of 27 and 36 is 9. Factors of 27 is equal to 3, 3, 3. Factors of 36, 3, 3 and 4. The common factors are 3 and 3. The HCF of 27 and 36 is equal to 3 into 3, 9. C. The HCF of 12, 16 and 32 is 4. Factors of 12 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2. Factors of 16, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Factors of 32, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. The common factors are 2 and 2. The HCF of 12, 16 and 32 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. D. The HCF of 24, 36 and 48 is 12. Factors of 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 36, 2, 2, 3, 3. Factors of 48, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. Common factors are 2, 2 and 3. The HCF of 24, 36 and 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. 5.3. Find the HCF of the following sets of numbers using the prime factorization method. A. The HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Factors of 18 is equal to 2, 3, 3. Factors of 24 is equal to 2, 3, 2, 2. Common factors are 2 and 3. Therefore, the HCF of 18 and 24 is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. B. The HCF of 24 and 30 is 6. Factors of 24 is equal to 2, 2, 2 and 3. Factors of 30 is equal to 2, 5 and 3. Common factors are 2 and 3. The HCF of 24 and 30 is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. HCF of 15, 20 and 25 is 5. Factors of 15 is equal to 3 and 5. Factors of 20 is equal to 2, 5 and 2. Factors of 25 is equal to 5 and 5. Common factors are 5. The HCF of 15, 20 and 25 is 5. D. The HCF of 84, 126 and 210 is factors of 84 is equal to 2, 2, 3 and 7. Factors of 126, 2, 3, 3 and 7. Factors of 210, 2, 3 and 7. Common factors are 2, 7 and 3. The HCF of 84, 126 and 210 is 2 into 7 into 3 is equal to 42.